Looking for an electric trike? You have plenty of options to choose from, but only one stands out above the rest: electrictrike.com. Electrictrike.com sets itself apart from the competition by offering the most competitive pricing you'll find for models with comparable specifications. With a 15-year track record of leadership in the electric trike industry, you can trust electrictrike.com to deliver quality and reliability in every product. And with more models of traditional and recumbent trikes than any other electric trike seller, electrictrike.com truly offers something for everyone. Electrictrike.com takes pride in every detail, including hand-built wheels made right here in the USA. They build more hub motor wheels than any other company in the country. With core system components on every trike, you can count on electrictrike.com to provide consistent and reliable performance. And with a modular design, diagnosing issues and replacing parts is a breeze. Every trike is custom sized and built to order, so you can be sure it's tailored to your needs. Electrictrike.com even takes care of the packaging, which is made locally and pallets are custom built for safe transportation. And unlike some competitors, Electrictrike.com delivers every trike fully assembled with liftgate service so you can enjoy your new trike right out of the box. With a strong community of riders and a Facebook group where you can connect with other electric trike owners, take test rides, and make new friends, you're part of a family when you buy from Electrictrike.com. And with hundreds of service partner relationships throughout the US and a warehouse full of replacement parts, Electrictrike.com ensures that any replacement parts are serviced quickly and easily. They even offer flat rate shipping anywhere in the contiguous USA, which means you can get your trike no matter where you live. And with world-class customer service personnel, you can be sure that any questions you have will be addressed quickly and efficiently. So why settle for less when you can experience the Electrictrike.com difference? Visit us today and find the perfect electric trike for your needs.